Welcome to our comprehensive technical analysis of the latest stock screening results. Today we'll break down the top 20 stocks that have shown outstanding technical strength and momentum. Our approach focuses on stocks with robust technical setups, favorable risk-reward ratios, and significant momentum characteristics. The market is currently dominated by technology and growth stocks, with most candidates achieving the highest technical scores and strong trend classification. Throughout this video, we'll explore each stock's technical highlights, discuss key indicators, and provide actionable insights for traders and investors. Let's begin by setting the stage with a quick overview of the market's technical health and what makes these stocks stand out. Before diving into individual stocks, let's clarify the screening criteria used for this analysis. Each stock was selected based on a technical score of 75, a strong or very strong trend classification, and favorable momentum indicators. We also considered volume patterns, moving average alignment, and sector leadership. This rigorous approach ensures that only the most technically robust stocks make the list, providing a solid foundation for both short-term trading and long-term investment strategies. Now let's move on to the first stock in our lineup. SPY stands out as a benchmark for overall market health, demonstrating exceptional technical strength and a robust upward trajectory. Over the past year, SPY has gained 18.32%, with a year-to-date increase of 15.55%. Trend indicators such as ADX and Williams percent are confirm healthy momentum, while the ultimate oscillator supports continued bullish movement. Volume analysis reveals very high institutional participation, validating the price action. SPY trades above all key moving averages, and momentum indicators like RSI and MACD remain positive. With well-defined support and resistance levels, SPY is suitable for both short-term trading and long-term investment strategies. TQQQ is a technology-heavy ETF that showcases outstanding technical performance and momentum. With a 27.69% gain over the past year and 22.25% year-to-date, QQQ's trend indicators confirm powerful upward movement. The ETF trades significantly above all major moving averages, and volume participation is exceptionally high. Momentum indicators, including RSI and MACD, are strongly positive, suggesting continued upside potential. QQQ's technical setup is ideal for those seeking exposure to the technology sector, offering both short-term trading opportunities and long-term growth potential. Tesla continues to impress with its exceptional technical strength and remarkable momentum. Over the past year, TSLA has surged 74.69%, maintaining its leadership in the growth sector. The stock trades well above all key moving averages, and volume remains very high, indicating strong institutional interest. While the MACD histogram shows a slight negative divergence, other momentum indicators remain positive. Support and resistance levels are well defined, and the technical setup suggests further upside, though traders should be mindful of volatility. TSLA is suitable for both short-term momentum plays and long-term growth strategies. NVIDIA stands out as a technical powerhouse, with a 47.51% gain over the past year and 49.24% year-to-date. Stock trades well above all significant moving averages, and volume is exceptionally high, reflecting strong institutional conviction. Momentum indicators, including RSI and MACD, are strongly positive, and the stock's position near the upper Bollinger Bands suggests continued upward momentum. NVDA is particularly attractive for aggressive traders seeking high-momentum opportunities in the semiconductor sector. Apple demonstrates solid technical strength with consistent momentum. The stock has gained 18.71% over the past year and 9.36% year-to-date. All key moving averages are trending upward, and volume remains very high. Momentum indicators are bullish, though the RSI and stock RSI suggest overbought conditions. Despite this, Apple's technical stability and leadership position make it a reliable choice for both short-term traders and long-term investors. Support and resistance levels are clearly defined, supporting disciplined trading strategies. Palantir has shown phenomenal technical performance, with a staggering 365.35% gain over the past year and 161.32% year-to-date. The stock trades well above all key moving averages, and volume is very high, indicating strong investor confidence. Momentum indicators are robust, with the MACD and stock RSI supporting continued upside. While the stock is in an extreme upper Bollinger Band position, the technical foundation remains strong. PLTR is a top pick for momentum traders seeking high-growth opportunities. AMD continues to deliver outstanding technical performance, with a 72.9% gain over the past year and 108.96% year-to-date. The stock's strong bullish alignment across all moving averages and high ADX reading confirm the strength of the current trend. Volume participation is solid, and momentum indicators remain exceptionally positive. AMD's technical setup supports both short-term trading and long-term investment, making it a favorite among technology sector enthusiasts. TQQQ, a leveraged ETF, demonstrates exceptional technical strength with a 58.85% gain over the past year and 44.59% year-to-date. The ETF trades well above all key moving averages, and volume is very high. Momentum indicators are strong, but the leveraged nature of TQQQ amplifies both gains and risks. This ETF is best suited for experienced traders with a high risk tolerance, and strict risk management is essential when trading leveraged products. VV offers solid technical strength and momentum, with an 18.33% gain over the past year and 15.57% year-to-date. The ETF trades above all significant moving averages, and momentum indicators are positive. While volume is lower compared to other names, the technical foundation remains robust. IVV is a suitable choice for investors seeking broad market exposure with a stable technical profile. YOO mirrors the technical strength of the broader market, with an 18.34% gain over the past year and 15.52% year-to-date. The ETF trades above all key moving averages and momentum indicators are balanced. Volume is lower, but the price action remains strong, suggesting support from broader market fundamentals. VOO is ideal for investors seeking a stable, long-term holding with a solid technical base. Eastern Digital has delivered exceptional growth, with a 183.43% gain over the past year and 214.91% year-to-date. The stock's technical indicators confirm strong momentum, and it trades well above all key moving averages. Volume is moderate, but the technical setup remains robust. WDC's position in the data storage sector and its strong trend make it a compelling choice for growth-oriented investors. TSLL, a leveraged ETF tracking Tesla, shows remarkable momentum with a 65.9% gain over the past year. The ETF trades above all significant moving averages, and volume is exceptionally high. While the technical indicators are positive, the leveraged nature of TSLL means both gains and risks are amplified. This ETF is best suited for experienced traders who can manage the increased volatility and risk. Levin has demonstrated exceptional technical strength, with a 274.45% gain over the past year and 92.28% year-to-date. Stock trades well above all key moving averages, and momentum indicators are strongly positive. Despite lower volume, the technical foundation is solid, making app a strong candidate for growth-focused investors seeking exposure to mobile app technology. SGOV offers stability rather than growth, with minimal price movement over the past year. The ETF trades near all significant moving averages and momentum indicators are neutral. Volume is average and volatility is extremely low. SGOV is best suited for conservative investors seeking capital preservation and low-risk exposure to short-term treasury bonds. Cloudflare has shown phenomenal growth, with a 180.73% gain over the past year and 116.47% year-to-date. The stock trades well above all key moving averages and momentum indicators are strongly positive. Despite lower volume, the technical foundation is robust, making Net a top pick for those seeking exposure to the cloud services sector. Oku has delivered impressive technical performance, with a 59.21% gain over the past year and 44.08% year-to-date. Stock trades above all key moving averages and momentum indicators are positive. While volume is lower, the technical setup remains strong, making ROKU a solid choice for investors interested in the streaming platform sector. First Solar stands out with a 33.15% gain over the past year and 48.58% year-to-date. The stock trades well above all key moving averages, and momentum indicators are strongly positive. Despite lower volume, the technical foundation is solid, making FSLR a compelling pick for those seeking exposure to the solar energy sector. Iridian has delivered exceptional technical performance, with a 361.51% gain over the past year and 167.19% year-to-date. Stock trades well above all key moving averages, and momentum indicators are robust. Despite lower volume, the technical foundation remains strong, making CRDO a top choice for those seeking high-growth opportunities in the HCM technology sector. ETI offers solid technical strength and momentum, with a 17.51% gain over the past year and 14.82% year-to-date. The ETF trades above all significant moving averages, and momentum indicators are positive. While volume is lower, the technical foundation remains robust. VTI is a suitable choice for investors seeking broad market exposure with a stable technical profile. Qualcomm demonstrates exceptional technical strength, with an 8.35% gain over the past year and 17.16% year-to-date. Stock trades above all key moving averages and momentum indicators are positive. Despite lower volume, the technical foundation is strong, making QCOM a reliable choice for investors seeking exposure to the semiconductor and telecommunications sectors. Across all 20 stocks, several key technical patterns emerge. Most stocks display bullish moving average alignments with prices trading above both short and long-term averages. Momentum indicators such as RSI are predominantly in the normal range, suggesting healthy momentum without extreme overbought conditions. Bollinger Band positions confirm strong upward momentum, while MACD readings are positive across the board. These patterns highlight the overall technical health of the market and reinforce the strength of the selected stocks. While the technical indicators are strong, it's important to consider risk factors. Volatility varies significantly among the stocks, with some showing high ATR values and others remaining stable. Overbought conditions are present in several names, especially those trading at extreme upper Bollinger Band positions. Additionally, some stocks exhibit lower volume despite strong price action, which could impact sustainability. Proper risk management, including position sizing and stop-loss placement, is essential for navigating these risks. Aggressive traders, the highest momentum names such as NVIDIA, AMD, and Tesla offer compelling opportunities. These stocks exhibit strong technical setups, high volume, and robust momentum indicators. However, their elevated volatility requires tight stop-losses and disciplined risk management. Leverage ETFs like TQQQ can also provide significant returns, but only for those with a high risk tolerance and experience in managing leveraged product. Position traders, fundamentally strong names like Apple and Qualcomm stand out. These stocks offer a balance of technical strength and long-term growth potential. Their stable uptrends and well-defined support levels make them suitable for longer holding periods. ETFs such as SPY and VTI also provide diversified exposure with lower volatility, making them attractive for position traders seeking steady returns. Conservative investors may prefer ETFs like SPY, QQQ, and VTI, which offer broad market exposure and lower volatility. These funds provide a stable technical profile and are less susceptible to sharp price swings. For those prioritizing capital preservation, SGOV stands out as a low-risk option, maintaining price stability and minimal volatility. These choices are ideal for investors seeking steady growth with reduced risk. Regardless of trading style, risk management is crucial. Implementing strict position sizing, typically 2–3% per trade, and using ATR-based stop-loss placements can help protect capital. Monitoring support and resistance levels, as well as adjusting positions based on volatility, ensures that traders and investors can navigate changing market conditions effectively. Consistent risk management is the foundation of long-term success in technical trading. Technology and growth stocks dominate the current market landscape, with names like NVIDIA, Tesla, AMD, and Palantir leading the charge. These sectors have benefited from strong investor interest and robust technical trends. The dominance of technology stocks is reflected in the high technical scores and strong momentum across the board. Investors should be aware of sector concentration risks, but can capitalize on the prevailing strength by focusing on leading names. Key technical pattern across all analyzed stocks is the bullish alignment of moving averages. Prices are consistently trading above both short-term and long-term averages, indicating sustained upward momentum. This alignment provides additional confirmation for the strength of the current trends and supports the case for continued upside in the selected stocks. Momentum indicators such as RSI, stochastic, and MACD are predominantly positive across the board. Most stocks are in the normal RSI range, suggesting healthy momentum without excessive overbought conditions. MACD readings are positive, supporting the case for sustained bullish trends. These indicators provide valuable insights for identifying entry and exit points in technical trading. Most stocks in the analysis are trading near the upper Bollinger Band, confirming strong upward momentum. While this is a bullish signal, it also indicates potential overbought conditions in some cases. Traders should monitor these levels closely and be prepared for possible short-term consolidations or pullbacks, especially in stocks with extreme Bollinger Band positions. MACD readings are positive for nearly all stocks, indicating sustained bullish momentum. The MACD histogram provides additional insight into the strength and direction of the trend. While a few stocks show minor negative divergences, the overall MACD configuration supports continued upside. Monitoring MACD crossovers and histogram changes can help traders identify shifts in momentum. Volume patterns vary across the 20 stocks, with some showing exceptionally high institutional participation and others exhibiting lower volume. High volume validates price action and suggests strong conviction behind trends, while lower volume may raise questions about sustainability. It's important to consider volume in conjunction with other technical indicators when making trading decisions. Volatility, as measured by ATR, varies significantly among the analyzed stocks. Some, like TSLA, exhibit high volatility, requiring careful position sizing and risk management. Others, such as SGOV, maintain extremely low volatility, making them suitable for conservative investors. Understanding volatility helps traders adjust their strategies and manage risk more effectively. Each stock in the analysis has well-defined support and resistance levels, providing clear reference points for entry and exit decisions. These levels are derived from pivot points, moving averages, and recent price action. Monitoring these levels helps traders set stop losses, take profits, and manage trades more effectively in dynamic market conditions. Scenario planning is an essential part of technical analysis. For each stock, we consider bullish continuation, consolidation, and bearish reversal scenarios. Assigning probabilities to each scenario helps traders prepare for different market outcomes and adjust their strategies accordingly. This approach enhances decision-making and reduces emotional bias in trading. Successful trading relies on well-defined entry and exit strategies. Using technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD, traders can identify optimal entry points. Exit strategies should be based on resistance levels, ATR-based targets, and trailing stops. Consistently applying these strategies helps maximize gains and minimize losses. Position sizing is a critical component of risk management. Allocating 2–3% of capital per trade helps limit losses and preserve capital during periods of volatility. Adjusting position size based on ATR and volatility ensures that risk remains consistent across different stocks and market conditions. This disciplined approach supports long-term trading success. Overall technical health of the market is robust, with 18 out of 20 stocks showing very high or strong trend classifications. All selected stocks achieved the maximum technical score and bullish patterns are prevalent across the board. While short-term overbought conditions exist, the technical foundation remains solid, supporting both short-term trading and long-term investment strategies. While technology and growth stocks currently lead the market, it's important to monitor for potential sector rotation. Changes in market leadership can impact the performance of individual stocks and ETFs. Staying alert to shifts in sector momentum allows investors to adjust their portfolios and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Adapting to changing market conditions is key to successful trading and investing. Regularly reviewing technical indicators, volume patterns, and volatility helps traders stay ahead of market trends. Flexibility in strategy and a willingness to adjust positions based on new information are essential for long-term success. To summarize, the technical analysis of these 20 stocks reveals a market characterized by exceptional strength and momentum. Technology and growth sectors dominate, with most stocks displaying bullish patterns and strong technical scores. Risk management, position sizing, and scenario planning are essential for navigating the current environment. Whether you're an aggressive trader, position trader, or conservative investor, there are opportunities to capitalize on prevailing trends while managing risk effectively. Looking ahead, the technical foundation of the market remains robust, supporting both short-term trading and long-term investment approaches. While overbought conditions may lead to short-term consolidations, the prevailing momentum and trend strength favor continued upside. Staying disciplined, monitoring key indicators, and adapting to market changes will be crucial for ongoing success. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive technical analysis deep dive. This concludes our in-depth technical analysis of the top 20 stocks. We hope this breakdown provides valuable insights and helps inform your trading and investment decisions. Stay tuned for more market updates and analysis in future videos.